Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we complete the room management system. Okay, we already complete the room management system. Okay, now let's back to my project. So here, room management system, we already completed everything. Now let's moving to my uh, home page. Okay, so room management, hotel and room management both we have completed. We have a main page. You have to when the page is loaded, we have to go to the home page. Okay, home page design. So first you have to go to the resources for views folder. Yes, views folder. You have to create the folder home dot blade dot page. You have to create a separate file home dot blade dot page. Okay. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the home dot blade dot page page. You have to write. I'm going to go to create another page which is a master page. I'm going to create another page which is a master page. I need to create two pages, so I'm going to create another page, master page. Master blade dot page. This page what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this master page. Copy and paste over here. Save all. Okay. Now this is the template file. Okay, it's a template file. You have a HTML file. Here we have to attach the bootstrap. We have to add the custom CSS file of this folder. Okay, custom CSS. Okay, so custom CSS also we have to attach over here. Okay, the custom CSS also we have to attach over here. This is a custom CSS. We have to attach public folder. We have a custom CSS here. Okay, this custom CSS also I have attached the custom CSS. So what I'm going to do is CSS file. I'm just copy this CSS file. Okay, that's this CSS file. I'm going to bring back to my application. This is a CSS file. I just copy this one, bring it to my project, go to my project CSS file, public folder. Inside the public folder we have to put into our CSS files. Okay, I just paste on it. Okay, this is a CSS file. We get access. Okay, we'll get access this file. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just save the things. Now let's run the project and check it. Okay, so here we have to check master pages and home pages. So here we have a master pages. We have to first the user and everything. I just get out of this line. Okay, the log master pages. This is your home page. Home page. What I'm going to do is home page. I'm going to get these details of the home page. Now let's check. Okay, now let's check the page. Home page. This is a home page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this is a home page, right? So I'm going to go to this home page link. I'm going to get this one as you have set it the home page link over here. Okay, home you have set the home controller. Okay, so you have to adjust the home controller. So you have this home controller. You have to paste on it to here. So I don't need this one at the moment. Okay, so here this is home controller. So we have tried home controller. Home controller. Okay, what I'm going to do is here. When the home page is open slash, it goes to the home controller index section method. Home controller index section method. It goes to the home controller index section method. So home controller I haven't created yet. So I'm going to create the home controller. The home controller. Home controller I have created. Now what I'm going to do is home controller I have created. Now I'm going to go to this is the model home controller model. You have to get this one. You have to paste it over here. This is the model where we have to communicate with the home controller and we have to load the hotel informations. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here I'm going to get this one, all things, the home control. So we have show the ID, the things. Okay, so let's copy this and paste on it over here. So this one should be the home. We have to variable, you have to create the hotels. Okay, so hotels you have to just no need this one. Okay, so here the hotels. So you have to write the first you have to create the constructor, the hotel model. We load the data via the hotel model. Okay, so you have to create one constructor. We have to, this is the model. We have to create the object hotel. When the index page, when you call the index page, you have to call you load the data from all the data. We have to load from the hotel model and passing to over here response and back to the view as a response to the home page. Okay, home page we have to get the data to here. Okay, so let's file save all. Now let's, what I'm going to do is you have to go to over here, load the page. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. You have to get there a show details page. Show details. So show details also they need for the show details page details. So you have to, this one you have to get this one. You have to pass it over here as well. I may explain this one later on, don't worry. Now let's refresh them. Show details not defined. So here what's the thing is the route, we are not defined the show details. Okay, the show details we have to define the route as well. Let's refresh them. Okay, now there will be the one hotels are there. You will be able to see the hotel page. Okay, so here this is the page. Okay, so there's a page. This will be loaded successfully. You will be able to see. So what I did is when the page is loaded, we have to load the hotel. So if you click on this hotel name, the hotel description. So if you click the view button, we want to load the hotel uh, rooms as well. All the information about the room detailing we have to load that about here. Now we will be able to make the booking system and reservation system. We have to do here. Okay, so let's do how the system works. So all the things I'm going to explain in my next video. Thank you for watching.